Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at AMD's chart, and this is from 2014. We can see the highs here, and we can take the lows here of 2015. Now what I want to discuss here is, notice at the highs here, we were unable to move above the RSI 50 level, and because of that resistance, after a repeated failure, ultimately we can see the trend that ensues. In other words, the RSI 50 acted as resistance, which led to this drop, moving the price from about, let's call it 4.8 to the lows here of about 1.6, all within, let's say, 1 year. Now, if you take a look at the flip side of this, take a look at the current movement, we can see the most recent low on a monthly closing basis was here, where again we see the opposite, which is the RSI 50 holds support, which is the support here. That was good enough for the stock to ultimately build, and we can see the end result of that. So it makes sense if we can always consider what is going on when a stock is pulling back and coming to test the RSI 50 on the long-term monthly chart. Oh, by the way, as a side note, take note of this huge month-to-month move, the biggest move in many years. Chances are we are looking at an instrument that is going to exhaust itself, and around here we can reasonably expect this to be where it stalls, and ultimately the next major trend, based on other factors that we are looking at in the current market, should be suggesting the next major trend for AMD is lower. Also keep note that we are finding intraday resistance around a whole number of 32. We didn't hit that level. Looks like around here, failure to move above 32 suggests that the next meaningful direction is down. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESC. Woo!